Okay, hello guys, I'll be doing some sums over the next few weeks. Please don't use this as a study material. Use this only as reference material. Any equation used in this video is purely coincidental.
Quadratic equations. Any equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, where a, b and c are real numbers, and a is not equal to 0. Okay, this is the general formula for a quadratic equation. This is question number 1 in exercise 4.1. I just took out a couple of questions which are going to be a little bit hard because the rest all just follow the same pattern. You can do all those questions if you know how to do these questions. So this thing right here is just raised to 2, or raised to 2, raised to 3. That's the only meaning of that stuff. Okay, now x plus 1 whole square. What is x plus 1 whole square? It is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. Now what is 2 into x minus 3? It is equal to 2x minus 6. So x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 6. This and this are going to get cancelled. So x square plus 7 equal to 0. This is your final equation. No, final equation once you simplify this stuff. So does it satisfy the conditions to be a quadratic equation? What are the conditions required for an equation to be quadratic? So it must be of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It must be of this form, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b and c are real numbers. So thus in this equation b is 0 and a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. So we can say that this is a quadratic equation. We can also write this as x square plus 0 into x plus 7 equal to 0. Hence this b is equal to 0. Now let's go to the second question. Okay, LHS is x minus 2 into x plus 1. Now let's just simplify that. X into x plus 1 minus 2 into x plus 1. That is x square plus x minus 2x minus 2. Now RHS, what's the RHS? RHS is x minus 1 into x plus 3. That is x into x plus 3 in minus 1 into x plus 3. That is x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. This is x square plus 2x minus 3, and this is x square minus x minus 2. Now we just have that this is equal to this. Since LHS is equal to RHS, this and this gets cancelled, and 3x is equal to 1. So 3x minus 1 equal to 0 is your equation. Now let's just check if this satisfies our conditions. Our conditions are a, b and c must be real numbers. Okay, they are real numbers. Let's just say it's 0x square plus. Okay, now a, b and c are real numbers. Okay, tick. Now we need a not equal to 0. A is equal to 0. So that means this is not a quadratic equation. For the third question, we need to remember something from our polynomials lesson. Now x plus 2 cube is of the form a plus b whole cube, which is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a plus b cube. This is your general formula. I mean, this is how you can substitute this. So x plus 2 whole cube will be equal to x plus 2 whole cube is equal to x cube plus 3a square b, that is 3 into x square into 2 plus 3 into 4 into x plus 8, that is 2 cube, which is equal to x square plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 x cube. Now this is your LHS equal to, this is your LHS equals LHS, and then now we're gonna do RHS, which is 2x into x square minus 1, which is 2x cube minus 2x. This is equal to LHS, that is x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8. Now you're gonna get, you will get something like this: x cube minus 14x minus 6x square minus 8 equal to 0. Now let's just check if our equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. No, it's of the form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. Now this is a cubic polynomial. Now we don't want a cubic equation, man. We don't want a cubic equation. So basically this is not a quadratic equation. To explain factorization, I'm going to take help of this question, which is question number 4 in exercise 4.2. Now let's just assume one positive integer to be x, then the other positive integer is x plus 1. In the question it is told that the sum of squares, okay, the x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 365. This is what's given in the question. So we're going to solve this. X square plus 2x plus 1, because a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now this is equal to 365, and I can't find my brush. Where's my brush? Yeah, is equal to 365. So 2x square plus 2x is minus 364 is equal to 0. Now we can divide the whole equation by 2. We'll get x square plus x minus is equal to 0. Get this. Now we need our sum of two numbers as 1 and product as 182. Now how did I get this? This part. This should be your sum, and this into this must be your product. This is minus. So how much will negative 13 and 14 give you? Yeah, that's right, it will give you 1. How much will negative 13 into 14 give you? It will give you negative 182. Yeah. Now what we're going to do is x square minus 13x plus 14x minus 182 is equal to 0. This is your sum and product. Like 13 into 14 is 182, and minus 13 plus 14, how much is that? That's 1. So we are going to take what all is common, x into x minus 13, and we are going to take 14 and 14 and we are going to take 14 common from here, and we are going to get x minus 13 over here. So it's x plus 14 and x minus 13 equal to 0. Now the roots will be now in this equation we see that it's equal to 0. That means either this is 0 or this is 0. So let's just say x plus 14 is 0. So x is equal to minus 14, but they told it's a positive integer. Now x cannot be equal to 14. So let's just check the other one. So x minus 13 equal to 0. So x is equal to 13. This is your answer. Now your two consecutive integers will be 13 and 14. Aloha, this is question number 1 in exercise 4.3. I'm just gonna do one question. The rest follow the same pattern. Okay, so this is raised to 2. This is raised to 2. This is raised to 2. That is 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. First thing you need to do is cancel any coefficient that is next to x by dividing with this. What you need to do is cancel. You don't want anything over here. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna divide that with this number. I'm gonna tell you what. So you're gonna divide, in this case you're gonna divide the whole equation divided by 2. You're gonna divide it by 2. So that is 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 plus 0. Now you're gonna divide it by 2. That gives you x squared minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Now you're gonna do x squared minus 2. You're gonna multiply and you're gonna divide. And there's an x over here. Plus 3 by 2. Okay, now this, just remember this part. Now this is 7 by 4. So x squared minus 2 into 7 by 4 x plus, now you're gonna do this, 7 by 4 whole square minus 7 by 4 whole square plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Now this is of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we are gonna do this, x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to, we're gonna put these two stuffs over here. So we are gonna get is equal to 7 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 2, which is equal to 49 divided by 16 minus, you're just gonna multiply this with 8, this with 8. So you're gonna get minus 24 divided by 16. You're gonna get 25 divided by 16. Now it's all gonna be easy. So we just got x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to 5 by 4 the whole square. Now once you take the square root, you'll get either x minus 7 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4, in which case x will be equal to 12 by 4, which is equal to 3, or you'll get x minus 7 by 4 is equal to minus 5 by 4, in which case you will get x's value to be 1 by 2. So these two are your roots. We see that ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the general equation for a quadratic equation. Now discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now if this value is greater than 0, that means it is real. Your roots are real. Your roots are real. Now if d is equal to 0, that means your roots both are equal. Now If your d's value is less than 0, then it can mean only one thing: your roots are imaginary. Next, your roots are minus b plus or minus root d divided by 2a. These are your roots. Alpha is minus b plus root d by 2a, and beta is minus b minus root d divided by 2a. I'm going to take the help of the same question to explain how discriminant works. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Your discriminant is equal to b square, that is this square, that is 49, minus 4 into a into c. Now that is 2 into 3, that is 49 minus 24, that is equal to 25. Now your roots will be equal to minus b. How much is minus b? Minus 7 is plus 7. 7 plus or minus root 25 divided by 2 into 2, because a is 2. Now alpha is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4, which is equal to 12 by 4, which is 3, and beta is equal to 7 minus 5 by 4, which is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to half, which is the exact same answers we got previously when we did completing the square method. This is how discriminant works. Best of luck, brass. Okay, I'm done.